Hello. I claim to have created a way to make this game more fun and more interesting for more technical people. After heaps of trial and error and just frustration, I have made these, which are small vehicles. Vehicle used in a loose term because these are more kind of cubes which can fly around. But you can attach things to them and you can attach explosives to them. Meaning that not only are they good at mining in the game, but they also can be used for some more nefarious reasons. Because of the way that structure blocks work, you can also make the area that these vehicles save quite big. These little bastards have caused me heaps of pain, both me, the worlds they inhabit, and my console, which seems to take off anytime I do something big, but it has allowed me to create things like this, which I have named the Mark V, because it was the fifth one I made. But these have a lot of stuff going on inside them, unlike these ones, which have up, down, all the directions, a primary save and then a secondary save, which means you can attach stuff and detach stuff quite easily. They're quite useful. You can use them for mining, digging holes and stuff. However, big ones, as you can see, take a bit more thinking to get them to work, because loading all of it in at once kind of breaks my console. These creations also have a long range feature where this one disappears, but the main core stays in place. So you can move from the area that the previous core was, which is called a ghost, to where this current one is, which is useful when just needing to travel longer distances. Makes it a lot faster, but then wherever the core is, the body of the creation can kind of spawn in behind it. So I built them weirdly. The Mark V, this one, is a cargo transporter, I suppose, but using different techniques, you can make this, which is smaller, but the thing on the back makes this, which, apart from being very messy, is a miner. It sucks up a bunch of materials above those two water on the blue bits, and which then the items fall in and then get sucked up some pipes. It is a Mark 7 on the back of a Mark 3, I believe, and then this is what comes out of it. But this was kind of made as a proof of concept. I wanted to see if I could actually do it, and it turns out I can, or can for the most part, because it didn't really work. But that is why I'm kind of making this video, because I want to start fresh. I want to work from the ground up again instead of working on what I have, because it's all disjointed in it. It's all whatever. So I'm going to be doing that and making a series on it, because I've done it before, but I have. If it's not recorded, it doesn't exist. So I'm going to do that so it does. And who knows? Maybe someone else will find this kind of thing interesting and kind of join in, I suppose, because I don't think it's been done before. And it would be nice to have some new ideas flying around. So that is my plan. It will be happening over the next couple months, but until then, have a good one.